At last, I will no longer be banned from advertising accounts. These mortals will direct traffic to my offers via their browsers, and I can finally fool Facebook. My master, what do you mean they'll be sending web traffic? I thought we were kidnapping the villagers to spread terror amongst the mortals. The real horror is trying to increase traffic through Facebook. Being thrown into hell's hottest boiler is like a relaxing soak in a jacuzzi by comparison. For me, there is nothing complicated about using Facebook. I can receive traffic to both my account and yours, and nobody has banned me. Facebook takes no mercy on anyone. Again, the so-called web experts are here.
Let the people go, you fool. Try anti-detect browser Dolphin Anty.
You're just envious of my new IT department. How did they find me?
Because you still arbitrate traffic through incognito mode. Therefore, you have been traced by every anti-fraud system.
But it worked fine in 2012. What has changed?
At least read the benefits. The whole village suffers due to your stupidity.
An anti-detect browser for anonymous work in Facebook, sharpened for teamwork and process automation, hundreds of accounts under one device with real fingerprints of browser profiles, changing the IP of mobile proxies in one click, the ability to add browser extensions and bookmarks to all accounts at once. Oh boy, I've been such a plonker.
Bingo. Now let the people go.
Right. I shall fly to the ends of the earth to hunt for this browser.
You're such an imbecile. You don't need to fly anywhere. Look, the link is right here in the description.